I'm Roselle with buildersrisk.net, and in today's video, we will be taking a deep dive into builder's risk insurance. What is it and who needs it? So let's get started. Now, builder's risk is a specially designed insurance policy that offers coverage to a structure while under the course of construction. It can also offer coverage for materials and equipment used. Who needs builder's risk insurance? Now, if you're taking out a loan to pay for the construction, your lender will require you to have a builder's risk or course of construction insurance policy. Sometimes the general contractor can get the policy as well. Now, we work directly with your lender, ensuring that your policy meets all of the requirements on your loan, essentially helping closing go through quicker. Types of builder's risk policies. New construction. This is for ground up construction. Rehab or renovation policies. This is when there is an existing structure that needs to be worked on. You will need to cover the existing structure plus the renovation work that needs to take place. What is covered under builder's risk? Property replacement. Now, this is the most important coverage and is usually written at replacement cost. Theft, fire, and vandalism. These are very common on construction sites. Debris removal. The cost resulting in cleaning up after a covered claim. Building ordinance. The cost resulting in changing your building plans or even stopping construction due to a change in building codes. Temporarily stored materials and equipment. Oftentimes, contractors will store very important and expensive materials and equipment off-site. Your builder's risk will offer coverage for these items while they are in storage or during transit to the job site. How much does builder's risk insurance cost? The price differs on the type of project it is. A new construction project tends to be cheaper than a rehab project. The type of construction also plays a role. Frame tends to be more expensive than brick construction. The cost of the project as well as your location will also play an impact. For example, properties in Florida or Louisiana or anywhere near the water usually tend to cost more. Now, that being said, you can expect to pay between 1 to 5% of the total cost of your construction for your builder's risk policy. At buildersrisk.net, we work exclusively with builder's risk insurance policies, from single-family homes to large condos and even strip malls. Whether residential or commercial, we specialize in it, and we work with the top 10 insurance companies in all 50 states. With over 28 years of experience in writing builder's risk insurance policies, we can usually get you same-day coverage with great companies such as Liberty Mutual, Zurich, and Distinguished Programs, which write 80% of the builder's risk policies in the US. So give us a call at the number on your screen or click the link in the description box to get a quote. Thanks for watching.